Even though renewable energy is growing, fossil fuels are still meeting the world's energy demand and will continue to do so for a while. However, its share in the global energy market is expected to decline. Since much of the global economic system is based on fossil fuel energy use, any transition will involve massive restructuring and new investment, leading to considerable implications. But as of now, financial systems still don't seem to favor renewable energy. Let's look at why that might be the case. First, it takes energy to get energy. Fossil fuel is made of concentrated pools of energy, which is readily available and is flexible to demand changes, which makes it convenient. A gallon of gasoline contains about 37 kilowatt-hours of potential energy. On the other hand, a typical solar PV panel can generate about 0.2 kilowatt-hours in 1 hour of bright sunshine. Thus, the sun would need to constantly shine on such a panel for 1 week to provide the same energy as a gallon of gasoline. This means renewable energy cannot be conjured up in any moment that we need energy, creating a supply-demand problem and leads to an increase in costs. The high capital cost of most renewable energy sources also means that renewable electricity is sensitive to higher interest rates, making it significantly less attractive when compared to fossil fuels. Adding to this, fossil fuel is also heavily subsidized. The global subsidies for fossil fuels are about 12 times higher than the subsidies allocated to renewable energy, making fossil fuels more affordable than renewable energy. However, the reality is that fossil fuels will eventually run out and the entire industry will have to gradually phase out. Therefore, a transition to renewable energy will be valuable for both the environment and the economy. So, let us look at how renewable energy can provide economic solutions to deal with the inevitable changes ahead. There are several approaches to mitigate renewable energy sources' unpredictability. Solar energy is strongest in the summer, while in most places, wind energy is strongest in the winter. A combination of the two can provide more consistent year-round electricity generation than either one individually. On a grid scale, pumped water storage can be used when excess electricity is available. Water can be pumped from a lower reservoir to a higher reservoir, and when electricity is needed, the water can flow back down, generating electricity. These innovations have the potential to make renewable energy much more successful compared to fossil fuels. So, the biggest factor currently preventing an economic transition is the failure to account for externalities, a term adopted by the environmental lobby to describe negative impacts of energy production systems. These externalities include accounting for expenditures which arise due to growing levels of pollution, increased healthcare costs, etc. So, while fossil fuels may currently have a cost advantage over renewables, based solely on market prices, if externalities were included, several renewables would likely become the most affordable energy sources. However, renewable energy has a long way to go, as it improves its issues of unpredictability, high costs, and technological gaps. But keeping in mind its long-term benefits, a slow economic transition to this technology can give humanity the time it needs to make necessary changes for a sustainable future for all. Let's recap. Renewable energy is growing, but fossil fuels are still meeting the world's energy demand. The unpredictable nature of renewable energy sources gives way to fossil fuel energy being widely used. Accounting for externalities makes renewable energy more affordable both economically as well as socially. Innovative approaches are being developed to make renewable energy the primary energy source of the future. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more learning videos. You can also join our Patreon community, where you can get sneak peeks for upcoming videos and get to chat with the creators.